What up?
You.
Hiya.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Good,
How about
mom.
yourself?
Good, good. I've been on Facebook doing some videos and stuff. So like how I do here. So my people who know me can see. So this was a trade I had set this up last week in the morning. This the one we took this. We actually took this, remember? Um, but it came up because I was looking at it from doing that. And I was gonna say they hit. What I was gonna do is right. So we can go over it, right?
Hmm.
I saw this 50% retrace here, obviously, right? And I saw weekly, and I saw all this shit right here. So I figured that was enough momentum that they made clear. Um, Looking at this has me having a bias that with that momentum, they may even break that retrace and come all the way down here. See all that these
Yeah.
wicks and stuff. Yep. So okay, so this is what the daily looks like. So I called it here 90-30. It came down, then they shot back up, came down again. This morning, I called a trade. It was like still like right here. Yeah, about right here. This morning I called a trade on my live to take it like either from here or really the tipping point because this is a zone, so you could have used the zone. So you could have cleared like 20 some pips. I still think they're gonna go down. See, they came all the way to the zone. So this is a 4 hour zone right here. See, that's what this is. And you see how they came all the way to it and they're bouncing off of it right now. You see that?
Yeah.
So I'm looking for them to continue here, see how they play that, and watch them go past. Let me see if they so I can text them. Who's that? And tell them more to come. Sorry, y'all. Yeah. So anyway, I'm looking to see how they handle that retrace. Saying as we took, I'm sorry, y'all. Saying as we took the trade from here. Well, really, it was below this tipping point. But like I said, this was optional. I did mine from here. You could have really got it from here though. Rolled it here. See how they handle that. Still 2 hours and 2.5 hours left, and play it to the retrace. So it was twice. You could have. I mean, God knows somebody probably let it ride from here and come back up, but could actually got out and then got back in here. That was two opportunities in the trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two good opportunities in the trade. So we'll see how they handle this. We'll see how they handle that. Continue to rap.
Hey,
And Bitcoin did what I thought it would do. Yo, what up?
man,
Bitcoin did exactly what I thought it would do. I mean, Ethereum probably shooting up a couple of hundred too. Damn, I see it. They going back up now. Yeah, I knew I should have probably waited, but I wanted to trade it anyway. Fuck it. Anyway, Oh shit, I forgot we live. My bad. Talking on myself. Yeah. So, um, if this stuff get ready to break again, put y'all money in Ethereum. You know why?
Why?
Just take a wild guess.
It's gonna follow just like Bitcoin did.
Okay, that's part of the answer.
It's
But
because
what's the other part?
it's because it's an altcoin, so people are going to be looking to move money out of Bitcoin to another coin.
Mm, okay.
Well, that's another aspect. But you want me to simplify it?
Please do.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Well, the rate of growth is going to be bigger. Like you can make more putting $500 in Ethereum than you can like $500, $600, or $700. You put $1,000 in Ethereum and it go up like it's been going up versus $1,000 in Bitcoin. You're going to see a couple of $100.
Oh, I get you. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It'll double. Yeah, it's going to take longer for your money to double. Bitcoin is so high, the percentage, even though with those big moves, that's only like 20% or something like that. Whereas with Ethereum, that shit went from like $600 or $800 to $1,300. So you got to think about it. That's almost like that's like 3/5 of doubling it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 30%, 30-something percent. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
Yeah.
And it moves with Bitcoin. So your smaller cash, unless you got enough to buy a whole freaking coin, or really 2 or 3 or 4 coins, you're gonna be like catching small percentages, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I say that. And I'm saying that because um early on one of my streams, I was telling them that Bitcoin may come here to this tipping point and push off and start going up. So I'm gonna see how they handle it because we need to see if this is a real drop. I don't know if any of y'all trading. Is anybody trading?
Well, what was that?
No, not Bitcoin. No.
Oh no.
No.
So y'all haven't y'all knew y'all could trade it though, right? On Hugo's way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
All right,
been looking.
so yeah, but it is volatile though. Like, this would have been like $400 and some off of penny lot. All right. Wow. Yawning. What is going on here? Hey, any of y'all been looking at some stuff? I'm just kind of cycling through now. All right.
Yeah, I was looking at Euro AUD. Found like a 1 hour structure and a 15-minute structure. So just keeping an eye on that.
Which one? This one right here?
I think you froze.
Oh, I'm in USD JPY. I got activated.
You say you in USD JPY?
Yeah. I'm gonna draw down right now.
Hold on. I'm gonna come back to it, Justin. Let me see, cause he active right now.
Yeah, for sure.
Let me do that real quick. Oh yeah, this is the one I was on. Yeah. Where did you enter at?
Oh, I was on. I had just put the sell stop that Nemo had sent.
Oh, he sent another one.
Last Friday or Thursday. He sent it Thursday, and I got activated Friday by like
Oh,
a
and you
pip or
still
two.
been in it?
Yeah, cause when I woke up, it was already in drawdown, so I just
Yeah, I think he was looking for that.
that retrace on the daily.
Let me see. Yeah. But then when they pushed past, that's right. Remember when they kept going up, he's changed his mind and he closed and he put a buy in.
Oh, he did?
If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
Because we were in a buy stop at first, and then he was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna just switch it. I'm gonna just close it, and then
I
we're
thought he
putting in
did
the
that. I thought it
sell."
was the other way around.
Nah,
Let me see. I see where he went. I see what you're talking about. Where he put 103.65.
yeah, I put it even a little bit below, and they still hit it by like a pip or two.
On this, okay, so let me show you. Now that we have an active problem, you're activated. Let's talk you through what we can do about it. So you got activated. So you put the actual 103, what was it,
I put it,
103.65.
I think, like a couple pips below that too. Let me see. I put it 103.63.
That's, you know what's fucked up? I got a whole tipping point right here that I drew up that would have avoided all of it. Yeah, because that was 6 a.m. and y'all got activated. I see. Well, this one we got activated.
Yeah, it literally just tipped it, and then.
Yeah.
So
Let me see what's going on. That's the day. Looking at this momentum on the week, this is kind of confusing because they threw all these wicks on the weekly to the downside. Then they threw this wick on the weekly. So it's like, is this pushing? Was this coming down and getting ready to push up from this momentum shift, or it's swinging, or it's like, is this getting ready to come? Because really, we got to go off this right here, this
yeah,
last wick, right? And then when we go to the daily, I mean, until they actually leave a wick, that's like continuation stuff.
yeah, that's what I was thinking right there too.
Yeah, like I would with those closes, I don't know. Let me see. Are you in drawdown heavy?
Uh, Probably like, let me see, like 50 pips, 50, 60 pips, something like that.
Let me see. Man, they balance here on the 4 hour.
I saw
Let's
that.
let's see how it closed. Let's see how the 4 hour close, and then you can kind of be like, what's up? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was just the thing that was like kind of iffy about it was all the wicks they were throwing on the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm. Yo, what up, family?
What up?
Yeah, so that's what I would do, man. I would see, hold on, let me go this way. Yeah, that's why when we were talking about this and looking at it, I remember from here and seeing that wick play, I was like, I remember I had a tipping point. Yeah, that sucks because they were high up a little bit, enough for you to not think they were gonna come and snatch it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And they came, boom, and shot right up.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
would want.
I'm not really worried. Like, I'm not
Mhm.
scared of being drawn down or anything, but they snatched my ass.
Yeah, it happens, man.
Yeah.
I mean, but now that's how we gonna handle that. Wait and see how everything closes. And if it looks like they're about to start coming back down a little bit, even if you can get it to come down like 20 more pips or even 10 more pips, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like you can collect some of your money back, but don't, know when to get out though.
Yeah. Yeah.
More
Yeah.
realize this joker is, it should have been here by now. Oh, I was tripping. Never mind. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I was looking at this DoorDash. was trying to see what the DoorDash was.
Man, I've been there plenty times.
You know what I'm saying? Like, man, what in the hell? Yeah, so yeah, that's what I would do because this could turn into a little 4 hour tipping point and bring you back down a little bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just watch it. Oh, I gotta get yawning. Yeah, that's why I don't like winter time, boy. I'm gotta go back to the tropics, man. I'm like a walking ball of energy, man. As long as we get in that winter time, shit, that's what makes me slow down. All right, cool. Yeah, so we'll watch and see how that do. What was the one you said before, Justin? Euro AUD?
Yeah, that's what I said. Euro AUD.
Let me share. Have y'all been taking any trades or looking at like something y'all like sure about?
No, I haven't taken a trade in like 2 weeks. I've just been really busy with the holidays and moving, and I just kind of just been looking at the charts and just keep an eye out. But I haven't made any trades. Well, I think I made like 2 or 3 trades, but that's about it last week.
Dope. Dope. Mm. Yeah, so the structure you was talking about was this one, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's actually exactly how I have it drawn up as well.
Oh yeah, this the one where I said they showing that momentum. How long is that? Yeah, it's way too long. Talking about down 10. Yes, that's one. That could be one for sure. Really probably could have just used that one. Yeah, but shit, I'd use this as a tip. Man, I suck a little bit because of that. Let me see. Let me find something. Is that it? All right. Well, that's basically the same thing. Yeah, this would be one of those ones I just yeah, I see how momentum closed right here.
Right. Yeah, I was keeping a lookout for that area. That seems like it's a strong, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. You got me something? Mm-hmm. I would like to see how they close. For sure, for sure. Man, because really, this the main thing. Like, it's all this shit right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's strong enough for me to just say, let it ride. And this lockdown shit going on. It's a bunch of different indicators.
Mm-hmm.
The news. Let me see something real quick. Who got news next week? I think Euro. Okay, yeah. So monetary policy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so they got some high impact news Thursday. So it's more than enough time for them to yeah, because what today Monday or today Monday, right?
Yeah, it's Monday.
Yeah, it's more than enough days from Monday to next Thursday. It's more than enough days for them to play something out right here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. Even if it's like to right there. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep my eye on that joint.
Yeah, for sure. I don't even think I needed to even draw a structure just because I mean the trend and the momentum showing down.
Yeah, it's strong down, man.
Look at this shit, the weekly.
I want to say Wednesday. I was on the road driving, and I set a price alert, and it hit the price alert or whatever, and I was like, I'm not really trying to mess with my phone right now. So I had put it down, and like 12 hours later, bro, it was like 162 pips. I was like, damn, I missed
Man,
that. I missed that, but it is what it is. I'm happy I at least seen it. You know what I mean?
yeah. Mhm. Yeah, and this right here could have just been a half of it. Mm. Yeah, so this may even be a good one to like put something in and let it ride.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The way it's showing, that's on the weekly, bro.
Yeah, that's
Like they were,
nuts.
hmm?
I said that's crazy. It's
Yeah.
definitely
Go ahead. You saying it's winter?
no, I said it's definitely like a lot of room down. I was looking like kind of at the next area. We got a lot of room.
Mm-hmm. You talking about from previous price?
Yeah, like on the daily, I see there's like another like area, maybe about 35 pips from where we're at now. And if we clear that, it's a lot of room. It's a lot of room. But
Yeah, it wouldn't be far for this bad baby to drop. And then take a buy or something, right? I mean, a sell stop right here and let that sucker ride.
yes, sir.
Yeah, this look like one of those. You can definitely do that. I think I'm gonna do that. For sure. Matter of fact, you do that right now. Put a okay, hold on 1 second. Zero AUD. I'm looking for this on my freaking phone, man. Hold on. Oh, there we go. New order, sales stop. Let's zoom in. I said let's zoom in. What is that? I mean zoom in. Zoom in. Hmm. Let's see if I can find something back further. Satisfy. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So this is how I would play it right here. I would take the trade. right there. So it's 5.7. What was it? 5.755. So, right, right, right. So 5.755. You know, you'll have to look for them to come here, but if it's enough momentum on the hourly, right? I mean, on the 4 hour, you know,
Right.
we don't have to be so concerned. We have to pay that area attention. We don't have to be so concerned. Then we can wait and see how they handle and break all of this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which they may range here and use that little news event to go even lower. You know, we can see how they play it. So I'm gonna leave that because I wrote this like last week. So news event, what day is that? News event is on the 21st. Wait, that's the inauguration day too, I think, right?
I'm not sure. Them.
Is the inauguration on the 20th?
Shit, it's the 20th or the 21st. What I'm saying is that week. It's a lot of shit going on.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. Be wary of that too. Yeah, they may hit it though. I'm liking when you zoom in on this too though. They still left that much wick. Kinda wanna see. But I'll put it in though. We'll see how to handle that. Do on the cool, if this stays like this little area right here,
Yeah.
I'll use that as a tipping point. And then you'll have even more room. You see how much more room you got?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna see how just see how they play it though.
Mm-hmm.
So it was 5. We'll look for 5. You see what I'm saying? Even if you take it and it do come right here and reject, that's still 18 pips.
Right.
So we'll see how they close on that because we don't want to get like activated anyway. So I'll say 5.765. It was actually 5.765 and 5.755. Five five six. Wait, 5.7. I'm not about to mess y'all up. 5.765. Yes, 5.765. We can say secondary, just in case, at 5.755. It's funny because they both in the right spots. And and guess what? If they close with more of these wicks like this, even on the 15 here, that'll be even more dope. Because then it's like, boom, we can take it here. which if this closes like this and they go up a little bit, I'll make this the tipping point
Okay.
for the hourly. That's how I change it up. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So we'll keep an eye on that because I'm actually feeling that. Feeling that. Yeah, this bad baby climbing. Climb up. Let's see how it handles. Oh yeah, they gave these doubles right here. Bum bum. US dollar. See, look at this shit. This shit climbing too. You see? Bum. See how they roll. Anyway. Yeah, this look like a decent time to be on the Euro pairs. Like right now. Euro GBP stand below that tipping point. I'm ready to go to the left this me. They're gonna leave cold fries. Oh. Yeah. Oh shit, this was dope. Euro USD. I wasn't even looking at this. That was a nice move. Yeah. See that? I don't know if anybody was looking at that. See how this closed? We got 4 minutes. I think I meant to take this too. They broke here. Game 80 some pips down. See that?
It's a nice
So
move.
that lets you know it's okay to, if you take a wait, go ahead. Say what you was about to say.
No, I just said that's a nice move.
Yeah, I was gonna say with these, right? If you ever like, oh man, it's a tipping point right on top of structure. Don't overcomplicate it. Just let it move. And since you are at a structure, see how they handle that area. And if you see they breaking past, throwing wicks in there, like then leave it be until they show you something the other way. This would have been something to be like looking out for, obviously, but you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you handle that. Like, be aware in your trade. Say, okay, there's a tipping point. I like these right here. because they make it easier to do that. You know what I'm saying? Because now my tipping point overlap in my 4-hour zone. So now I can take it here, ride it, watch what they do. They came, you know, depending on lot size. I'm gonna tell you psychologically. I mean, shit, some people probably would have got out here depending on lot size, but psychologically, that would have made somebody, them even going there would have probably spoofed somebody like, oh God. Just as long as they didn't break the tipping point going back the opposite way, cool. When they did that, that should have been even better. You see how you read it?
Yeah.
And you see what I'm saying? Like,
Mhm.
like when they start closing, like say how it did it here, and you took the trade here. If they started closing, like doing like some real closes, showing momentum going back this way, then that's when you like reassess your trade. But when they come back, do this, even this right here should have been like, oh hell no, let me sit and watch. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you can you can see it in the negative and see it come back to your entry. And then know for sure should you close it and hop back in, or should you just let it ride? You know what I mean?
Right.
Because I know that's probably something y'all think about. Like, how do I know? Start seeing how many wicks they leave there. The less wicks and the more the more, no, I said it wrong. The more wicks and the less body in that area, the better. You know what I'm saying? Because now it's like, okay, we wicking in there, wicking, but we coming back down. We wicking, coming back down. Wicking. They impulse here, but they threw you the doubles and they came back down. You see that? They showing they really don't want to go up. That was a fake reversal. And then that's a lot of pips. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You getting people caught up in, there's people with some money on the line, so that's how you look at it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Just in case you wonder. See, this 21, if they close up here and play around here, I'll feel more strongly that when they start to show that they want to break here, we can let it ride. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So it's fine. Whereas if they would have been closing, like, and they may even break it now, where if they would have been closing like here and fondling around, it would have made me a little nervous, not in a bad way, but just in a way where it's like, it's too close where they may activate my shit. Whereas now you have time to respond. See all that time you have? You have 11 pips right now. So they can play all up here, all they want. And when we go back here to look, they showing us what we need to see. We can catch the sale right here. And you never know, you may wake up in the morning and it's activated. Uh-oh. Down the road as they get. Yep. And this one, I wouldn't even try to get in just yet. Unless you maybe try to enter in here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let me zoom in. It might be on 4 hours. Let me see. Let me try. Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So boom. That's what I exactly what I wanted to see. Yeah. We do. That's the 4 hour tipping point. So you can take it a few pips here, use that one instead of the hour, or you can wait and see if it come here and catch catch the downward momentum in general with this, but I know, I think, I can't remember who it was told me Euro and GBP and USD, they tend to balance each other out a lot of times. So I don't know how far the drop will be, but if Euro's going down and you want to catch this one, this would be a good area. Basically, well, this might be too fucking big. I'll change this. Yeah, actually, let me change that. I just messed it up. This price action. You're already in that one. So let me put it. Cool. Yeah, so you can just probably just take it right up under the daily retrace. But keep in mind they throw wicks down that way a lot. So make sure you are watching that too. All right, so there you go. You just take that one and we will get rid of that. Yeah, so yeah, you just try to catch it. So you can try to catch it about right here and just ride it down. Because it's the 50% retrace right here, this blue one right here. Excuse me. Yeah, so just try to catch that if you want to catch it. Find that, uh, let's say entry would be at, I want y'all to analyze this for yourself now, to see if you want to get in it like that. I would have preferred y'all, and I think we did take this, to do this one right here or this one that was right here and then see how it played. But if you want to try to hop in, we can see how they play the daily retrace on this. Since the euro is, what's this one showing? Let me see. We got to look at this momentum. See this momentum going down too. You see that?
Yeah.
But we'll have to really see. Oh yeah, this one closed already. So yeah, this would be perfect. Huh?
No, I said yeah, it already closed.
Yeah. I couldn't see the little fucking green one moving. Yep. So you see what I'm saying? The momentum pointing down, that still may be a great spot to take. Oh yeah, I didn't go over this one all the way. Did I go over this one? I can't fucking remember. Yeah, but that may be a great spot to take and see how they handle here. even if they come all the way to the bottom of the zone. So, yep. So it'll be like 80, 89, 78 entry or whatever. You see for 80, yeah, 89, 78 entry. Let me put that. So it'll stop at 89, 78. And you can put take profit 89.53. But I'm gonna tell y'all, like I always say, watch it because sometimes they'll stop 2 pips short. Watch it because sometimes they'll be showing you that they're about to break past. You know, learn how to do that stuff, and then that'll keep you from looking. That'll keep you from looking at too many trades because you'll already have 2 or 3 to look at that you need to be maintaining. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you can kind of pace yourself and not overtrade. That's just, you know, my advice. All right, let's see. USD. Even this. They're not really showing down. Let's Man, shit, look at this. This may even be a good trade. See how they handle. The thing is, though, they're straddling around this zone. So see how they handle this, and you can just use this zone and set something in the zone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, it's not that we have the same freaking I'm talking like we have the same freaking structure, but in the event that you have a structure like this one and it matches up with price, remember this the 4-hour on USD. What's the name? It'll basically be a, you know, you can look to put a sell stop like right here. You know, we do have all that to take into consideration, but keep in mind it's a structure. So it wouldn't be bad for them to come in here, or foreign for them to come in here. That's what I meant. It wouldn't be foreign for them to come in here and, you know, play it out. So yeah, shit, that's 5. It wouldn't even be that high, but I'll set it here though. I would, and just catch. Just catch like all of this right here. Yeah, so that'll be like 21.30 on Euro USD. Just look at all the Euro pairs pretty much and see a place, the momentum showing down. Find you a place to get in that because they correlating too good.
Right.
Like, look at this shit. Look at this. 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 Look at this momentum.
Yeah, I'm looking at that pair right now too.
Mm-hmm.
Hella momentum.
And even here to this, you have these right here, but those didn't do nothing but kind of like push it back up this way. but they're showing you that they may be ready. Like even this shit. Look at this. Look at this. These over here on the weekly. They showing they may be getting ready for a nice size break. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
They left a huge momentum wick on the 1 hour.
Yeah, we'll check that out. That could just mean too they're gonna range right there. Because remember
Maybe the retrace on the 4 hour.
that could be a thing. We'll have to see how this closed though,
Yeah.
and see how this closed. Because they could come back down. Like, but here's a whole thing right here. See how they play this right here. Because that's technically a structure anyway, which is the goofy part about it. It's basically a structure. Yeah, we'll see how that plays out. So I put this 4 hour inside the daily. And they could break and then come here. And so you can see them break, catch about, those little pips minus the, the space we take. See how they do that. You know what I mean? You'll have a few possible take profits. So this would be like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's what happened when those line up like that. Don't overstimulate your mind with questions of like, what do I do? Just create like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3.
Word. Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or however you got your structure drawn up, how it correlates. That's why I drag them sometimes, because it makes it easier to do that.
Bro, I remember you was saying that like back when we first started, like make sure you drag them all the way over.
Yeah, like you don't have to, like Nemo was right. So you can do them separate, but try them and see.
Mhm.
Just see. And you'll be surprised if it start respecting that area still, bring it and use it.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. And then you can do what we doing now and use them as take profits without having to draw a million gazillion lines. So now you have a bunch of shit. Now we have a shit ton of trades on Euro, and we don't even have to, overstimulate. Like we don't have to complicate it. Like we could, like, oh, okay, let's go to US pairs and let's do this. We don't need to do all that shit. I mean, we can just to look at some stuff, but like we got trades right here. How many trades we just looked at?
Like 4.
Yeah, that's set up. It feels almost too easy, but man, I've been calling Euro the past couple of days, and as soon as I call it, like I went over it this morning again.
Mm-hmm.
It's been the same trade on Facebook, and when I came back this evening, they hit. So I went on Facebook to let them know, like, this is you saying this shit live. Like, it's not a come and join my group, and I'll teach you how to trade, and you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm showing you, motherfucker. Like I just did. I'm showing you again. It's recorded. Don't question me.
Right.
Or, not like in the way I don't have questions, but like, proof is in the pudding. I ain't just showing no freaking account and like stimulating your mind with shiny silver things. Like, ooh, you laugh because that's the game, bro. That's the game.
Yeah,
You know what's up. Y'all know what's up.
it definitely
Everybody.
is.
You know, and I ain't knocking nobody. You know, that everybody, I'm a trader. I trade forex. No, you go to a group where somebody tell you what to do, and you hope it hits, and you recruit other people. You know, not everybody, but a lot of them. And I've had people tell me, "Man, that's exactly what was going on." I'm like, "Yeah, let me show you." You know what I'm saying? Like, I was even trying to be humble and be like, "Well, maybe I'm just talking shit," but that's what I feel like, and that's what, because I was in a group before outside, just more, not even to join another group, but just to like see different people trade and experience, and you didn't even know what the hell was going on. Like, it was like, join our mastermind group, and the currency heat meter and all this other goofy. It's like, God damn it. Like, you had to download this app, do this on the computer. Like, it's like, bruh. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Whereas here, it's just tipping point, check momentum, see your next area where they may be holding up. If you got a wick super big going in this direction, the momentum, and your tipping point here correlated with how much space you got, anticipate this move. Look like we just did on the weekly, anticipate that move, correlate news, correlate traps, and, you know, keep it simple. You know what I mean? They didn't do none of that shit. So it's like, man, like, you know, I ain't mean to go on a rant. It's just,
No, that's how it be though.
mm-hmm. You know, I know there's a lot of people who are doing good, so this not, you know, shitting on them. This is a, this, there's a lot of ways you can do it, but I can definitely say I haven't had to download a currency meter or even use a freaking indicator on these. Have y'all?
No,
Nah.
Nah, not at all.
nah, just price action. And
The one thing that may be lined up is Fibonacci. You know what I'm saying? Because that's like retracements and retractments and all that stuff. You know what I mean? It's still price action. You know, so if somebody figures something out, great. You know what I'm saying? But everything else, man, it's like the W pattern, the double top. Like, come on, bro. So, anyway, rant is over. I was just, you know what I'm saying? It was just like, man, throw something in people's face, and they'll still go for the poison. Yeah, so yeah, this is real stuff. So y'all talk to me, man. What's on y'all mind? How y'all feeling about the future economy and different things going on? And, you know, man, forcing nobody to, is just, you know, talk to me. What's going on?
man, I'm actually real interested to see the state of affairs with, you know, everything going on. We got, you know, new president, we got potential more coronavirus across the world, and I just think this next 6 months is going to be very interesting, like for a lot of different reasons. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm just looking for. I'm like, I feel like I just wake up excited, like it's a new news event every day. You know, like I'm just excited.
Yeah. It's
Like,
something making something
yeah,
jump and shake every day, right?
yeah, like I was a political science major in college, so I'm always in the news. Like, that is interesting to me, just seeing the whole world events and everything like that.
Mm. That's what you studied in school?
Yeah, I had my major was political science, and I had a minor in peace and conflict studies.
Wow. We're gonna put you on the ballot, buddy.
They gonna they gonna look at my Twitter and kick me off the bill.
Yeah, you're gonna get banned. You're gonna get
Off the tweets alone.
Hey, I said the same thing. I was like, nobody better not lean on me, man. I'm gonna get banned. I'm gonna be banned from being banned. That's what shit.
If you look actually if you look at Euro Euro JPY, it's coming back into that. We drew a structure like a few weeks ago, and it actually is closing at the top of that structure, they playing around in it. So that might be another trade, people might want to look out for.
They closing at the top of the oh yeah. You talking about right here when we was talking about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they did. Yeah, this was a mean ass structure. Yeah, we've been waiting on them to do this damn retrace
For like 3 weeks.
shit since the beginning of Christmas. I mean, no, since the end of November, really.
I think around like the 8th, maybe.
No, I'm looking at it now. It was the second. Like we had called it, and then they kept. You know what? I think I see why you're saying the 8th, because I did draw this tipping point. I had it here, and then they kept playing around here, and I think they might have activated us or came close. But the fact that they keep ranging right here makes me wonder. Oh, well, that doesn't look shit. You know, I would like to see this close. It makes me wonder if they would drop. That'd be a dope drop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely one that's been well anticipated.
2 months worth of anticipation. 2 months. Look at this shit. I'm right here and stop right there. You know what? Actually, yeah, let me draw this up as a structure, because that actually will be dope to take. We know what's here. I'll leave that there. Let me delete this and let me make something here. This is one of those times when I would do a 4-hour within an hour. If it just lines up too damn good, you know what I'm saying? It's like, why not? Because it's just more data for you. You know what I mean?
Right.
So we already see. Actually, let me start with this just so I can get my eyes right. I feel like it's a lot of shit going on. So here. And here. That's perfect, yeah? Yeah. Let's see what we do. Yeah, these doubles right here. And I can actually start this here. These doubles right here. Now, I'll take that and go as planned. All right, cool. I'll fix it up. Boom. I even brag. Well, not brag, shit, drag. Yeah, I even drag this. Nah, I'll leave it right here. Yeah, I'll leave it right here. Then put this one right here, man. Right here, man. I'll do the doubles right here. That's fine. I'll do that. Okay, but now, actually, this is dope because now you have an entry point. Huh?
No, my fault. That was me. My phone went off.
Now you have an entry point. Remember, this is let me make this really dark so we can tell the difference. Remember, that's a 15 tipping, yeah. So now we have an entire entry. Damn, that's a lot of pip. I would take it literally a pip, like a pip below, because it's more than enough space from that tipping point.
Right.
You can take this here. Boom. And now you have a reference point to remember they still didn't complete this retrace. Because once they break here, the only other support, right? Support and resistance, tipping point is right here. So once they show signs of breaking, then not only can you catch this, but you can possibly catch this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna sit on the Euro pairs and keep them under my scope because they looking real juicy, like a steak. I have to plug my weapon in. Oh, yeah. We're gonna go over a few more. So we're gonna look at Euro pairs because I'm going to the gym tonight. Tonight I'm going to the gym. All right, so I'm gonna say for here and do like 126.41. That'd be dope. And so yeah, draw that structure up. My advice is on this trade, draw this structure up, man. And I mean we don't have to be so codependent on it being a retrace, so I'm not saying, we have to do that, but
Right.
it is possible. I mean, I don't know why they would stop in range right here. You know what I'm saying? That looks too like clean, if that makes sense. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like it's like I feel like if they wanted to truly break out, like look at this range here. But soon as December hit, which starts the end of the year process, they start ranging all these weeks.
Yeah, it get real small and tight compared to previous.
Exactly. So what is it? And keep in mind, I have this like this for a reason. Keep in mind, they still have room to come because this is a daily. They have room to make Euro look like it's gonna tank, and like this would still look like oh God, the Euro dropped. But in hindsight, yeah, it dropped back into a structure it was already doing back in August.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, yeah, it dropped, but it dropped back to a place they probably were intended for it to go anyway. It's like if we know, well, yeah, that we're gonna have a sell-off on the Euro, price gets spiked in range. That way, when it drops, it's dropping back to a support they already had. And y'all know we don't use those words. I'm just saying it so the person who used those words, man, because you know what I mean. So, and then we have another where they actually range back here too. That's why I put them like this, where it's like time frame on top of time frame. I mean, not time frame, but zone on structure on top of structure.
Mm-hmm.
So now I have another reference point because now if they start trying to come back in here, oh, this also was a structure down here. So this area right here all looks juicy to me, especially if they're showing they're coming down. You know, it's like the sky's the limit. I'm not saying it's going to, like, when, a lot of people think when you enter a trade that when you hit sell, it's supposed to be like, and you get all your money. And when that don't happen, people get disappointed. Instead of that, yeah, they're gonna, with the time, like we may be here in January, and in March or February, they right here.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas like I said, it's not foreign, because as you can see, here goes a whole freaking candle right here. That's 242 pips. It's not foreign at all. You know what I mean? So that's what we're looking at. These are some pretty good setups, yeah?
Yeah, definitely keeping my eye out.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna smack Euro up. I know that was a bad choice of words. I'm sorry. But yeah, gonna use it and abuse it this week. And by the chance they show they are going to go back up, you have like a few tipping points around the way, like here. To actually say, oh, I can try me a buy if they showing momentum back this way, and catch they may bring it back to the zone and then drop it again. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because now you have multiple areas. To me, this, instead of having a gazillion lines and like this is a great way to reference, because you see how they hit off these areas where the bodies hit. Look at where my zones are in each layer and tipping point. They hit off of those multiple times in specific areas.
Right.
So, you know, it doesn't have to get complicated. It could just become a language. Like, because look, even on the 4 hour, look at this shit. Look at this shit. 4 hour right here. Look at that wick they just gave. Look at that price wick. That's like, that could be like reversing. And they could come back up and come back here. And you can catch that too. Not necessarily as an over trader, but as somebody who's watching it. You know, then you can look to these areas right here, see how they play those. But you can definitely, oh shit, you can definitely see what's up. Yeah, anybody got any questions?
Nah,
Nope.
man.
Let me ask, go ahead.
Nah,
No.
Let me ask y'all, I'm gonna ask, how do y'all feel so far about just the content? I haven't asked that in a while, just things in general. As far as like the forex, I mean, as far as market makers, has it been delivering what y'all expected it to?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
yeah, definitely.
Could y'all say that? Because I can say this honestly too. I'm winning a hell of a lot more trades, like a hell of a lot more trades. I mean, I guess it's kind of, funny for me to say that now, because I'm helping y'all, right? We helping each other really. But you know what I mean? Like this, I felt like this boosted my thing like completely. Do y'all feel like that?
Yeah, absolutely, man. I like being able to talk it out and hearing different perspectives about, charts and the market. It helps me kind of formulate my own ideas and, gain confidence in that. So I'm still like appreciating everything.
Cool. That's what's up. Anybody else?
Nah, I like it. I've been learning a lot. And I like being able to talk to other people and share ideas and stuff like that.
Do y'all find that y'all have looked at certain, let me ask you, have y'all found that y'all may view something a certain way, but then kind of question yourself, but then come to the class and confirm something when you hear it and be like, yeah, so I guess I was right for seeing it that way? Has that happened to anybody?
Yeah, that's happened
Yeah.
on occasions.
I would say in the last 2 or 3 weeks has been like that, especially with like the trading. We started trading US 30, and I saw the S&P 500, and it's been correlating, and but also like with the other trades, it's like, yo, all right, like my analysis, me just watching the market itself is like, okay, I definitely know what I'm talking about. Then I get on here and you're saying the same thing, like, so yeah.
Oh, that's dope. That's like signs of y'all growth. That's why I'm saying that. Like I said, it's some days where it's like, well, there's not much going on, guys. I never want to bring that boring ass energy here.
Hmm.
But I'm saying there's days when the market can feel like that, especially like right before Christmas. Was that it? Right before Christmas?
Yeah,
And it was like,
yeah.
because I remember doing elections, it was like, man, I don't know where to fucking begin. Like, I look at one pair too long, another pair that shot up. Like, it was news all over. It was like we couldn't keep up.
That shit was fun.
Yeah, Benji, man, you like a spy, man. I forgot you were in.
Just watch, listening in.
Yeah, I forgot you was in, man. I was like, oh. Yeah, but that's how it was, right?
Yeah, that's why I can't wait for
Inauguration.
inauguration. Yep.
Yeah, I'm interested to see what happened.
Does Nemo still want to do like the like how we did election, kind of like run through the day? I know you mentioned something about it.
I'm gonna ask him about it again, but I know I'm down.
Yeah,
I'm
all right.
definitely down.
All you
I'm
plan to take
down for
off.
sure. Yeah, I'm definitely down for sure, and looking forward to it.
I don't know about 3 days straight though.
Man, that shit threw me off my schedule so bad.
Yeah, that was different.
Man, that shit, man, it felt like I was in boot camp again, keeping watch. Like I was on guard duty or some shit. I'm like, goddamn. And then the more funny part is, right, is that I was waiting on y'all pair, Lucy. The GBP had a
Yeah.
big news event. I don't know if you were looking at the currencies during the election. Did y'all ever see them?
Yeah.
And you remember that one? I think it was on a Thursday. GBP had made that big ass move at like 3 a.m. Like it was like 170 something pip move. And I remember I was talking, I was like, yo, GBP got news. I was like, I just knew I was gonna catch it. Man, my mouth was poked out and my head was slumped over. And I woke up and they had made the move already. I was so mad, man.
Yeah.
Oh man, I wasn't really mad, but I felt kind of like foolish, like man, like all this time, but there was many, many different things going on for real, like a lot. It felt like we had our own little Wall Street going on. And I was the wolf.
That's dope.
Yeah, so yeah, that's dope, man. I like to hear that. And we are gonna definitely eat. We are going to start that challenge too, if y'all still down with it.
Yeah.
You already know.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I kind of feel like it would have been dope because we got some damn good trades right now.
Yeah,
Oh,
we got some good ones coming up. Hopefully they all play out.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna keep my eye on. Let's do that. If y'all want to look at something else, that's fine too. But definitely pay attention to these euro pairs, man. And if y'all see something getting ready to pop or see we need to change and adjust fire on whatever, definitely say, hey, yo, I see this. This a family thing. You know what I mean?
Right.
So EuroCAD, we really don't have to force nothing right here. So we can see how they do. But wait, let me go back. Oh wait, shit. Never mind. I do want to find that spot. I forgot we did see that. Yeah, that's too much showing down. Like you don't really see that a lot, like in that manner, to where that's like they may be about to really break.
Right.
So yeah, let's look at these and keep these going. See how gold look. I don't know if does anybody know if euro gold or gold euro correlate?
No, I don't know.
So I mean I traded it one
Never looked at
time.
it.
I stuck on US gold or gold and US. We'll look at it. They came down. They may go up. We'll see what's up. But yeah, anybody got any more questions or anything?
Nope, I'm good.
Hope I'm good. Appreciate
No,
it.
I'm good.
Yeah, let's eat, man, and that's what we gonna focus on. If y'all see anything else, let me just do this just because. Just hold on. Let me see. Let me skim real quick. Yeah, you know what? I ain't gonna overdo it. The Euro pairs look great for us, right? So we good. Y'all good on those?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Without overtrade. Okay, so we'll do those then. And keep in mind, news is next week, and you know that's all she wrote. And I will see y'all tomorrow. And Benji, well, any of y'all can hit me up, but Benji specifically, hit me up if you get a second.
I got you.
All right.
All right. Peace.
All right.
All right. Take care and y'all be cool.
Definitely.
Bye.